In this short video, we will demonstrate the Apache Iceberg support of Db2. With version 12.1.4, the Datalake Table feature is available to Db2 traditional on-premises installations, in addition to the containerized offerings. Datalake Table's data resides outside of Db2 on object storage and is stored using open data formats such as Parquet, Orc, or Avro, offering great interoperability and providing the foundation for a data lake or a data lakehouse. We start by creating a storage access alias that securely stores the object storage credentials in Db2. This alias abstracts endpoint, bucket, and optional path prefix, so users only reference a friendly name when creating Datalake tables. Next, we define a regular Db2 schema and extend it into a Datalake schema. By attaching a location to the Datalake schema, Datalake tables created under this schema will, by default, land in our object storage bucket and path prefix. We create a Datalake table stored using the Iceberg format. Iceberg brings ACID semantics to object storage and tracks table state through snapshots. The Datalake schema's location will place this table in our bucket with the specified prefix. Now, we insert a handful of rows of sample data into the table. Each insert statement creates a new data file in the table's data path and a new table snapshot in the table metadata descriptor. Now we delete a subset of rows. In Iceberg, deletes are recorded using delete files, so original data files remain immutable while queries exclude deleted rows. Let's take a look at the table physical layout on the object storage bucket. Iceberg tables organize files under a table root with a clear separation between metadata and data files. For each write operation on the table, a new snapshot has been created and its metadata stored as a JSON file, alongside a new manifest list and manifests stored as Avro files, all under the metadata directory. The data itself is stored in immutable Parquet files under the data directory. Orc and Avro file formats are also supported. The list of deleted rows are stored in delete files alongside the data. Finally, running a select statement on the table confirms that the deleted rows have been removed from the table data. Thank you for your time.